So first up will be the bananas. Get 2 nice yellow ripe bananas and start to slice them in little chunks. The way I did it, I sliced them diagonally and then chopped them up vertically into pieces. It's all good. Just chop them up and then it's done. And make sure they're sweet. So first up, we got 2 cups of all-purpose flour together with 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 spoons of that sugary, and then with a little touch of salt for taste, and also some granulated coconut. We're gonna mix it all up until it's evenly distributed. And now we get a separate bowl and start to put 2 eggy boys into the bowl. Whisk them lightly, and then slowly we're gonna add the coconut water, and followed with that we're gonna add the coconut milk, and make sure it is full fat coconut milk and not that light or diet stuff. Vanilla extract goes in. I love this stuff really. And then also 1 cup of regular milk, and then your melted butter. So put the melted butter together with the coconut oil, and then that is done and dusted, out of this world. It is time to put the wet and the dry ingredients together and start to mix it until it is nice and smooth mixture. Then at last we are gonna add the nanas, so add the bananas, and then that is all we need to do. Batter is done. Mix it a little bit around and that's it. Nice pancake batter with chunks of banana inside. Smells amazing. Now let's get to the frying. Non-stick pan on medium heat, and then with some olive oil or neutral oil you start to put in the pancake batter. Now it is totally up to you if you want big or small pancakes. I'm going for larger pancakes, that's what I'm used to, and that's also what Mr. Dwayne Johnson, aka The Rock, is making. At least what I saw. So after 2-3 minutes the pancake should be golden brown, and then start to flip it. If you can flip it like a pan. I tried it a few times. Some were okay, some did flop, so. And you know, we're gonna continue until there is no more batter left. So keep on making nice golden brown pancakes. You see the flip was not good here, but okay, it's all good, you know, no worries. So keep on flipping the pancakes until all the pancakes are gone and you have a nice stack of pancakes. And then let me show you. All right, so first a nice smear of peanut butter, then followed with some more sugar, and then finish it off with some maple syrup, lots of it. Put the maple syrup, and then that is basically it. Doesn't that look good? Let's be honest, man. You have breakfast, somebody puts this in front of you. I think you're gonna say thank you. Thank you very much, and let's enjoy it. Rocky pancakes, here we go. That is seriously impressive. There's a little hint of coconut there, not too much, you know, just perfect. Then you got the sweetness from the banana and from the maple syrup and the sugar, of course. This is so delicious. I also think this is one of the best pancakes I ever had. Maybe we could do some strawberry jam, maybe we could do some butter. Let's go. You know, the softness of the pancakes mixed with the crunch, the little sweetness of the coconut, of the bananas, it's a very nice combination. So you should make it. Let me know what you think. Peace.